Well, I think that first thing that we must do is start with some innovation, start with innovative products that could grab the market attention in order to rise a little bit more some sort of demand from one side. The other thing that we also need, I believe, on our European level is to cut down some of the employee costs. What is the cost of production? Absolutely, we need to be much more competitive in the global world. Well, I believe that research and innovation is the solution, is the door that can be opened, and then it is the key, I believe, that can open the door to what is the progress today. Today we have lots of ideas, but unfortunately most of these ideas do not hit the market. The reason maybe is due to non-competence, incompetence in certain type of subjects, but in the meantime it's due to the fact that there is a sort of push for new things that we need absolutely to rise. Well, yes. What I can say is that my organization, Special, is nowadays working in developing new solutions that could help elderlies as well as independent living people. That means that, especially today, in a world in which elderly and aging is becoming probably one of the main issues, we absolutely need to provide solutions that can help people have an independent life. So if we work in this direction and we are so intelligent to allow people to really live all day long and make their let's say their daily life normal, well, I think that we will succeed, and our research and development must go in that direction. My competitive advantage, what is it? The fact that we have something like 15 years of experience in this field, and we work all over the world with different companies. Well, I believe that networking is essential also because today you have lots of companies that are specialized in certain things and others that are specialized in others. Therefore, nobody can be really specialized in everything. Therefore, I need, just for instance, my company needs to work with someone for communication as well as something that is informatics. So what do? I make network with companies that make communication as well as informatics. In the same way, I will try to find the same things to distribute my products around the world, find the local distributors or experts in that case. Well, I think that one thing that the European community is doing today is quite appreciable due to the fact that they are putting some projects on the field that can give funds, and therefore that can help us to do this kind of research and development, and therefore build new solutions. Sure. This is, for instance, is a smartphone. You can see it as a smartphone because it is a phone, it's an Android phone, but it has something special. What we did with this phone, we integrated a number of sensors. Therefore, we made this phone become a medical equipment. So it is strange, right, that you have a phone, but you have in the meantime a medical equipment. And the beautiful thing is that, like I'm doing now, I can measure up to 7 of my vital parameters. I just press here, and in this way I can see how my heart beats and how it's doing at this moment. Can you see? You can see my ECG going up, my electrocardiograph going up, and in the meantime, this will be seen by a server. And my doctor can measure all and can take over what I'm doing. And I can do with this system here up to 7 measurements and send the results to my doctor. So you understand, I'm walking on the street, I feel a little strange, I feel dizzy. Well, what I do, I put up my phone, I call my doctor, or I just make a measurement, and then I say, doctor, can you see my test, please? What did I do? I saved a whole bunch of time. My doctor saved a whole bunch of time. In the meantime, even the National Health Service is saving a bunch of time and a bunch of money. So this is what we do today. Well, we work with a lot of hospitals, we work with university and research institutions, we work with innovator companies. One thing that is really common, that we work with a lot of small and medium SME, small and medium enterprises. Why? They are faster, more intelligent, and most of these are on the edge of technology. That means they know everything that's going around because they need to survive. And this is probably one of the strategy and one of the most the starting points of all our research and development today.